guys, it's your girl Nate and I'm back with another vlog. Hi guys, I missed you. I haven't on YouTube in a hot minute. Oh my gosh. But yeah, I thought I'd vlog real quick. I'm going out with one of my friends from college, so yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with me. But yeah, like I said, I missed you guys. I know I've been M.I.A for a hot second. But yeah, I'm definitely going to do some videos, so look out for that, and the vlog. So I'm going to be getting a little content out of me. But yeah, I'm just getting ready. I need to do my hair and I need to put on my shoes. And that's it, and then I'm ready to go. Supposed to meet my friend at 5, after 4, so you know, not trying to run on black people timing, but you know, I don't know any other timing. But yeah, so I'm gonna do my hair, put my shoes, make sure I've got everything, and then go. So yeah, I'll probably see you guys when I'm going down the road or whatever, when I'm at the bus stop or whatever. But yeah, or when I'm there, we'll see. But yeah, I miss you guys. I miss vlogging, I miss doing videos, I miss doing YouTube. I know. But yeah, hopefully you guys have missed me too. But I'll be back. I'm going through some stuff at the minute, you know, so YouTube isn't my main focus, but definitely going to jump back on a bandwagon and get some stuff out there, because I actually enjoy this. Like, everyone has their outlet and YouTube is my outlet, so I need to get back on it. So yeah, yeah, I'm just going to finish getting ready and head out. So yeah, I will see you when I get there, or whatever, really. You'll see me. Alright then. Bye guys. Just left my house, on my way. My friend's on her way as well. So yeah, I think we're gonna go out to eat. We haven't decided what we're gonna do, but I suppose we're gonna go out to eat. So yeah, so hopefully can get my little drink on, you know, get a few alcoholic beverages, because I ain't had a drink in a hot second. I lied, guys, I drank last weekend. Yeah, I drank last weekend, but still I didn't drink last weekend, guys. It was baby's birthday last weekend. I couldn't vlog. I didn't want to vlog. I couldn't vlog. 1, my battery was dead, and 2, I lost my tripod. So, but yeah. But guys, it was my baby's birthday last weekend, so yeah, you missed it. Sorry. But yeah, definitely wish my beautiful baby girl, my wife, a happy birthday. Well, belated birthday, because it's been about a week now. So yeah, definitely do that, because yeah. But yeah, so it was baby's birthday last weekend. I didn't really drink, I didn't really smoke or anything, and less cigarettes. Because I don't know, I just wasn't, because it was the first time, not the first time, kind of the first time, it was the first time kind of meeting her stepmom and her dad. So, you know, when you're kind of meeting the in-laws, you don't really want to, you know? So I wanted to make a good impression, so I just tried not to, you know, be regular me. But, yeah. So, yeah. So I didn't really drink last weekend, because, yeah, me and the in-laws. So yeah, so hopefully I can have a little turn up this weekend. I'm in Nandos, in the O2. So yeah, I'm just with my girl, I'm chilling, trying to pick something to eat. So yeah, so we picked our, let me pick up my tripod. So we've chosen the movie that we're gonna see. We're gonna go see Wonder Woman. It's not until 8, so we've got time to, you know, eat and shit. But yeah, so I'm in Nandos. I'll probably vlog again when she comes back from ordering. So yeah, guys, fun time. But yeah, it's pretty empty for a Saturday night. It's not Saturday night, it's like Saturday evening. It's like after 6. So it's pretty empty, but it was packed. There was a hell of a big queue to get into the O2. Like, and they didn't even care like whether you're going to an event like in the Indigo part or just to go to a restaurant. Like, you had to line up. So it was a bit mad. Just for the O2. It's not Buckingham Palace, so yeah. But anyway, I'm gonna order real quick, and yeah, and we'll probably see you when the food gets here, or when she comes back from ordering. This is my girl Chanel. Yeah, so she's got her food. I'm still waiting for mine. What is that?
What is what?
That.
Hello, do you want some?
Oh. Not really.
Why? It's just cheese.
Does it taste like?
Yeah.
I can't.
It's cheese, hon, not poison.
I don't want all of it. I just want a little bit.
It might be better to get a knife and then
Yeah. Guys, you see me struggling. I'm just see. She was doing way better than me. I was struggling to cut cheese. Fucking hell. Oh, hold on, guys. To cut fucking cheese. This is the cheese. It's alright. It's nice, right? It's decent. I fucks with some halloumi. It's alright. So what are you gonna have on the mashed potato?
Huh?
Is it gonna go on the mashed potato?
Yeah, I usually like to have it at the end. So when there's like a little bit of chicken and mash and chips there, mix it together. Voila.
Jamie Oliver out here, yeah. Guys, I'm back home now. Yeah, we went to go see Wonder Woman. It was good. Yeah, so watch All Eyes on Me and Wonder Woman. Those are 2 good films that I definitely say to go and see. Yeah, but I'm just tired.
I don't understand.
Some people are with me.
Some people, you know.
My baby. I was telling YouTube it was your birthday last week.
Yeah, 117 now.
She's 20.
17.
20. 20. Because I wouldn't be dating a minor. 20.
How I'll be past 16.
To me, that's a minor. Anyway, yeah, so we're just gonna go to bed and we're just gonna go sleep. So, what did you pick up?
The pseudo creme.
Yeah, so we're just gonna go to sleep. I had a good day. Do you mind?
Huh?
Do you mind? Anyway, I'm just gonna go to bed because I'm hella tired and... Could you shut up?
Okay. Sorry, babe.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna go to bed. I'm just gonna go to bed and sleep and yeah, because I'm so tired, and so hopefully I should be definitely getting some new content out very soon. Hopefully gonna do a couple videos with babe. Shut up!
Okay, sorry, but itchy.
I'm gonna do a couple videos with babe. Yeah.
The one and only. The one and only me.
Yeah. Guys, if you don't see her, it's because I fucked her up. But she's pissing me off.
Huh?
You're pissing me off.
Why?
Because you won't shut up.
Oh, sorry. Because your YouTube is popping.
Shut up. Anyway.
You should get fucking views.
Shut up. Anyway. Anyway.
Bye.
No. Anyway. Yeah. So then I'm gonna go to bed. Anyway, guys, definitely gonna get some more content out because I've missed you. I've missed doing YouTube. Shut
Not
up.
all the 6 people.
Shut up.
Oh, I'm sure.
Shut up.
I'm rolling.
Shut up.
And my fresh.
Oh yeah. You can show them in the video. Cause she turned 20 all of a sudden.
Why is it not wonky? Hold on, maybe you're not holding it straight. No, so let's just turn it to you.
I think it's a bit nice, really.
It's a bit mad.
But yeah, I had a good time. It was fun meeting up with my girl. I ain't seen her in ages.
I haven't seen her in ages either.
Seen her in ages. Oh, she wants to meet you, by the way.
It's been so long since I've seen her.
But she wants to meet you, by the way.
It's been about 3 years.
She wants to meet you, by the way.
Does she?
Yeah.
That's nice.
But yeah.
You don't really have friends, you know. So it's nice to meet the friends that you do consider. Because, you know, you don't really, interact with people a lot, you know. You're a bit of a loner. Yeah.
This will be the last time you see her on my channel because I am now going to kill her.
I'll be on her channel tomorrow.
So yeah. But yeah, guys, I just missed doing YouTube. I'm definitely gonna try and get some content out.
You know what it is, we're broke in it, and we gotta just make that money.
Speak for yourself.
Make that some money.
Speak for yourself. She's herself.
Got broke.
Don't be speaking for me.
I'm joking.
But
Oh,
I'm just so tired. I can't even think right now. But yeah, definitely gonna try and get some content out and
I want a Canetto.
just get back on my YouTube shit again because I really do miss it.
I miss it as well.
Okay.
I'm tired.
So I'm gonna end the vlog here, guys. So like, comment and subscribe to my channel and share.
What the fuck is wrong with you? What's wrong with your neck?
Like, comment and subscribe and share all that good stuff. Watch my latest video as well.
What latest video?
The one with the selfie ring light review.
That was all good 3 months ago.
It was like a month ago. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe, and watch my shit. Anyway, bye guys. No, no. Anyway, bye guys. I'll see you when I see you. Bye.